Hi guys, so today we are heading to the beautiful backwaters of Kerala for a crispy and flavorful treat, Kerala style sardine fish fry. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So first take 12 sardines cut, washed and cleaned. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon fennel seed powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon lemon juice, half tablespoon corn flour. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add oil and simply fry the marinated fish. Fry it until it is nice and crispy. Then simply turn it around and cook it on the other side. Then simply add about 30 to 40 curry leaves and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the fish has absorbed the curry leaves flavor. And there you have it guys, a crispy and flavorful Kerala style sardine fish fry. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.